I grab his leg for y'all lifting. You guys like that. Yeah.
I got money. Holy crap.
I'll take it. Marshall, remember what we did the holiday.
What?
Alright, everybody has their own tree. And everybody gets one thing to like go up there.
How will? Bố. Thơ về nhẹ. Cầm trâu. Mò. Chưa.
50? That'd be half the lobby. Yeah, I didn't want. But it wasn't bad. Hey, Malcolm. What? No. What do you think the sweatiest Fortnite
get all the wood through and put them under a pyramid and make it look like a battle scene, so nobody would be able to find it. Oh, that's why I do that with mythics. If I get a mythic, I
Do you have a mic?
Do you have a mic?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
I have fancy headphones.
No, you don't. Yeah. Well, the headphones we have are not fancy.
Well, do they have a mic on it?
Well, they have like a little black mic, but not a little.
Yes. Well, I can still hear you. I have one of my friends who has earbuds type of thing, and you have a little mic here.
Yeah, but how does it? I have it like on the cord. I don't have it.
Yeah, like my friend.
Yeah, but where do you plug in the headphones? The Xbox.
Are you moving?